When it comes to tech stocks, people immediately think of companies listed in the Nasdaq. However, there are a few tech-related stocks that aren't listed in the famous exchange that might be of interest to you. This company has been making waves lately, and in this video, we'll learn more about how they operate. After all, we all want to learn more about organizations that have a stable foundation and are in an industry that's currently booming. We'll also dive deep into the future plans of this up-and-coming stock to help you decide if this is a company you'd want to give your attention to. And hopefully, we can help shed more light about this data analytics company, Palantir Technologies, and answer a few of your questions. Why is their stock price on a bear run? What does this company do, and how does it contribute to its industry? And what do stock analysts think of this stock? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. For starters, let's first learn what Palantir Technologies does and what it offers to its customers. Palantir Technologies is a software company at the forefront of data integration and analytics. The company provides advanced tools that enable organizations to transform vast amounts of complex data into actionable insights. Founded in 2003, the company has made a name for itself by developing cutting-edge platforms that cater to a wide range of industries, including government, finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. Basically, they make the act of scraping data into meaningful information easier for private companies and government entities. Try imagining the millions of data that these organizations face on a daily basis, and all their decisions will be based on the information they can extract from the data they'll get. The core mission of Palantir is to empower its customers by making data accessible and useful, helping them solve some of the world's most challenging problems. Palantir, therefore, can be the one thing that can help companies and organizations make decisions that can make them extremely successful. They do this through their main offerings, Palantir's two flagship products, Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry. Palantir Gotham is designed for government agencies, intelligence organizations, and law enforcement. It helps these entities integrate and analyze data from multiple sources, allowing them to track and predict threats, manage resources, and make informed decisions. For instance, an intelligence agency might use Gotham to sift through terabytes of data to identify potential security threats, helping to prevent incidents before they occur. Gotham's ability to connect the dots between seemingly unrelated pieces of information is crucial for national security and public safety. You may not even know it, but Palantir Gotham might be a huge part of your daily life with regards to your security and safety. On the other hand, Palantir Foundry is geared towards commercial enterprises, providing businesses with the tools they need to manage their data, optimize operations, and drive innovation. Foundry enables companies to integrate data from various departments, such as sales, finance, and supply chain, into a single platform. This comprehensive view of their data allows businesses to identify inefficiencies, predict market trends, and make data-driven decisions that can lead to significant cost savings and revenue growth. For example, a manufacturing company might use Foundry to streamline its supply chain, reduce waste, and increase production efficiency. Customers of Palantir benefit greatly from these platforms because they transform raw data into a strategic advantage. Other offerings of Palantir include AIP, which helps organizations activate AI on their private network and their operating system, Apollo. Whether it's a government agency preventing criminal activity or a business optimizing its operations, Palantir's technology allows organizations to uncover hidden insights, respond quickly to emerging challenges, and ultimately achieve their goals more effectively. The company's commitment to enhancing data-driven decision-making has made it a trusted partner for organizations that operate in high-stakes environments where every decision counts. The company was listed publicly in the New York Stock Exchange in 2020. As you may already know, the NYSE is the biggest stock exchange in the world in terms of market capitalization. That alone should say something about Palantir Technologies as a company. Lately, Palantir has been grabbing the attention of the market as their stock price increased by more than 5% after an announcement by the Bureau of Labor Statistics stating that the prices that businesses charge for their goods and services in July 2024 increased more than 2% on a year-on-year basis. This simply means that Palantir, along with several other companies, are now charging their customers more. This is also an indicator that inflation is starting to stabilize, which means that the Fed might soon start to cut interest rates, and is expected to make the announcement in September 2024. Cutting of interest rates typically bodes well for private companies since their stocks usually become more attractive compared to bonds and other government-related investment vehicles. Now that the market is moving to invest in private companies, including Palantir, what does this mean? Does this signal that Palantir Technologies is a good stock? Or is this just a hype that will die down soon? Well, the analysts have been on both sides of the fence for Palantir's stock. But let's look at it in an unbiased way. Palantir's shares are known for their volatility, with the stock experiencing significant price swings. Over the last year alone, there have been 33 instances where the stock moved by more than 5% in a single day. Today's move is another example of this trend. While it shows that the market views the latest news as meaningful, it doesn't suggest a fundamental shift in how investors perceive the company. Instead, it reflects the ongoing attention and speculation surrounding Palantir. The last big movement in Palantir's stock price happened just 8 days ago when it surged by over 19%. That jump came on the heels of the company reporting a beat and raise quarter, where it exceeded analysts' expectations in revenue, billings, and adjusted operating income. On top of that, Palantir raised its full-year revenue and adjusted operating income guidance, further boosting investor confidence. This impressive performance has pleased shareholders as the company continues to deliver strong results. So far this year, Palantir's stock has climbed by more than 83%, recently reaching a new all-time high. The growing interest in Palantir is largely due to its stock's dynamic behavior. However, there are also some analysts who think that Palantir's recent all-time high price may be a sign that the company is due for a correction soon, since it is apparently overvalued according to their analysis. You wouldn't want to get stuck holding Palantir at a high price, right? In addition, while Palantir Technologies has successfully secured high-value clients in both the commercial and government sectors, the company's execution has raised some concerns. Despite its long presence in the commercial space, Palantir's approach to sales has resulted in a relatively low number of commercial customers, with the count just slightly above 200. This is surprising for a company of its stature and reflects the challenges in its customer acquisition strategy. However, Palantir does have some redeeming qualities, such as their extremely healthy financial standing. The company wrapped up 2023 with approximately $4 billion in cash and liquid investments, and importantly, it has no debt on its balance sheet. When was the last time you heard that a company has zero debt? Some analysts believe this marks the beginning of a positive trend. As the company continues to scale, they expect it to generate strong cash flow margins by increasing its operating leverage, which will likely come from scaling back some of its research and sales expenditures. Palantir has also discovered a powerful AI-driven strategy that has significantly boosted its revenue growth while keeping capital expenditures low. Its unique AI platforms and improving profitability make it stand out in the market. Additionally, Palantir's shift towards modular sales is expected to attract more commercial clients. This strategy not only opens the door to new customers, but also provides opportunities to upsell them on additional products and services over time. With these strong growth drivers in place, Palantir is well equipped to capitalize on the expanding AI and data markets, making its future look bright. What do you think? Is Palantir going to be a huge company soon? Let us know your thoughts below. If you want to learn more about Palantir, you can also click on any of the videos on your screen. See you in the next video.